The latest earnings out from Top Glove today, and it was yet again a positive surprise. Net income for the first quarter of its 2016 financial year increased by 164% compared to the same period last year. For a closer look at the rubber glove maker's earnings, we've got Bloomberg TV Malaysia's Han Tan. All right, take us through those numbers.
Okay, so we're looking at the net income over the last 3 months, ending November 30th. That is the first quarter of their 2016 financial year. So 163.6% growth year on year for its net profit. Now, just to put it into perspective here, the net income over the last 3 months, that amounted to almost half of their total net income for their entire 2015 financial year, basically the previous 4 quarters. Now, on to something else that we highlighted during our afternoon show dashboard. So their earnings per share percentage surprise. Reported EPS came in at 20.6 cents per share. Analyst estimates just 12 cents per share. In other words, their EPS performance came in way above market expectations, 71.7% positive surprise there.
Now, analysts already were expecting a record milestone when it came to those earnings, and Top Glove themselves saying this was an excellent set of numbers.
Yeah, well, and they have every right to say so, and they gave several reasons for that. One, you've got the extensive internal improvements. In other words, they're becoming a lot more efficient when it comes to their manufacturing process. Also, like we've mentioned several times on this show, strong US dollar helping sales. And it's not just in value terms, they're also getting a boost in terms of their volume. Highest quarterly sales volume ever. Okay, you've also got lower raw material prices. And just to transition, I want to show you that in the graph form. So we've got the yellow line, which is the latex price. In the 3 months, September, October, November, those 3 months in the middle here, you're seeing average latex prices falling. At the same time, you saw gains for the declines rather.
Dollar,
yeah, that's right. Fell by about 2% against the greenback. Average latex price falling about 12% during that same time period. So that's what it looks like in graph form.
All right, so looking again at that strong dollar, that was a tailwind certainly for our Top Glove, but the chairman saying that this isn't something they should overly rely on.
That's right, because they are not looking to rest on your laurels. They are actively going about building capacity, and we have some of their plans, if we can pull up in the chart here. Factories 27 and number 6 set to be expanded, adding extra capacity next year, while Factory 30, that's a new one that's being built in Klang and slated to come online in 2017. Now, on top of the capacity building, they are also aggressively pursuing mergers and acquisitions. Now, all that's aimed at catering to the growing demand for rubber gloves, 6 to 8% growth per year. That's according to Top Glove. Now, however, other major industry players are also building their capacity, so they foresee that as a possible challenge down the line. But nevertheless, they say industry prospects are promising, aided by these record-breaking results that we just saw. So no matter how you slice it, net income, revenue, profit before tax, profit after tax, these past 3 months certainly look good for Top Glove.
All right, thanks, Han Tan, for the overview there.